Tuesday. Can you guess what we're doing? I'll give you one hint. Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of you.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
That really wasn't a hint, but we are here at the St. Vincent de Paul. It's sunny here today, which is weird. Oh, sorry. We're gonna go see what we can find. Sarah's here. Always so enthusiastic.
Gotta find some cabbage.
I never have the can corners anymore. Wild strawberry.
I wonder if these are $415 Sedec figurines.
It's a Wedgwood phase. Whatever that is.
Oh, Wedgwood's a thing.
No.
Yeah. It looks kind of not like
I'm gonna go look at their eBay section. That calculator was here last time.
Do they have an eBay store?
No. But that rock thing was here last time. The calculator was here last time.
Yeah.
We were here last time.
Yeah, I know. And so is Keebler. Keebler definitely.
What is that? It's a pine cone. It's very tropical.
It's 59 cents.
It's kind of funny. I think I want it. We need more tchotchkes for the house.
No, we don't.
Oh, wow. To look that up.
Hey, look. It's a show bump.
Oh, yeah,
People always buy these and they're only 59 cents.
Yeah. Great. She got a car with a jacked wheel.
So much glassware. I don't like this pole.
Sarah's got a car with like this 12-foot pole on it.
I think it's so they don't take them out. I know, I'm gonna see if this was sealed or not. I think it's new.
How many's in there?
4.
How many's supposed to be in there?
$2.99. I'll look it up. I know, but it's not the one I want. I want the one that makes bigger eggs.
What is this?
It's like some Jelly Belly thing.
It's a snow cone maker.
Uh-oh. I think it's snow cones on the
There's one. Here's an egg pan.
Let me see. Nah, I want the bigger one.
We need an egg pan for our diet because we're eating so many eggs. And Sarah wants to make perfect eggs.
I want to make perfect fake looking eggs.
Yeah.
You know, we still haven't sold our Revereware yet.
No, I haven't. Video games have been lacking at this place for sure. No. I don't remember anybody liking that game. That's probably why it's back here. Not much here. Check the books out. Literally just looking for heritage books. I found a first generation Godfather here once. First edition Godfather here once. Sold it for $50. Bought it for $2. It's pretty cool. Not too much. All the records nobody wants. Nope. Tom Jones. I think I'll be buying that. Sounds of the Great Cosaloma Band. Never heard of them. Can't be that great, right? On to the clothes.
Cool.
Hi. Oh dear, what have you done?
Look at this. Okay. So, I got the ice cream cone bank, or the ice cream sundae bank. Like different ones of these are selling from like $10 to $15, so that's $1. Got the show box. People buy this, I don't know why, but we always sell them.
Yeah.
And you can find them. I found Magneto vintage from Walmart. At first I thought that was Cindy Brady, but it's not. I think someone will buy this.
Sure, I know.
It's 59 cents. Okay, so this here, the golf pack cooler, it's $6. And what color's half off?
Green.
Oh, I didn't get anything green. But look, it's in perfect shape. These are selling for between like 20 and like 40. So I think it's worth it. A shot. I mean, look how it's perfect shape.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I got that. And then I got this here. Now, I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. This is $7. These are used. Used are selling from between like 30 and 50. So it's like a mouse thing that you plug in to your wall, and it like turns your Christmas lights on and off or something. So I don't know if we should get it or not. I was gonna put it down with the Christmas stuff and save it. I don't know what this says. Someone got off QVC and I think they wanted to return it. I don't know.
And you got the tortilla bowls.
I got the tortilla bowls. I have to look those up.
We have to plug this camera in.
Yeah.
I was looking at these. These are like Expressions jeans. These are super old.
Yeah.
I can't find them anywhere.
You looked them up?
Yeah, I did, but I might have put Expression instead of Expressions.
I'll look up Expressions stonewashed and see.
Oh, for the love.
But yeah, see right here, here's the cooler. Sold $29.99. It was like $12 shipping.
Nice.
So, and then there's another one for $24 and another one for $20.
Yeah, sure. That'll work. Gap jeans, Banana Republic. Can't tell what size these are. 34, 30. These may be worth it. $6.29, half off, $3. Sure.
Banana.
Yeah. Abercrombie. $4 now. Jeans. So expensive.
$6 is kind of like a lot to spend. But
Rude.
really 80s.
Yeah, they are. But I don't know if they're a remake or not.
No.
That's what bothers me.
They're definitely not. I can definitely tell they're not.
Okay. Whoa. What do we got here? Some old Converse. Maybe they're not that old. What size are they? 16s. Good Lord. I don't think I can sell those.
Well, you know what? I would have a bigger one to get the lower ones.
Size 12. $7. Might actually have to look those up. I'll check these out. These are in really good shape. So this camcorder we found works. Check that out. It's a VHS camcorder too. So it doesn't take the small tapes. Put a soul comp up and show you what it's worth. Sarah's little mouse thing also works. So that's good.
And I thought the strap was missing for this golf cooler, but it's inside the bag because it's never been used. So that's good too.
Yeah. Case of gin, anybody? Got a case of gin here at the thrift store. It's actually blocks, but just funny that it's in a Bombay Sapphire box.
With the lamp?
Nope, Sarah almost knocked a lamp
I
over
did with my pole.
With her giant pole. Check this out, the ridiculous cart with this massive pole on it. Probably. Probably.
Huh?
Probably not. We see
So they
this.
can be. The big ones. I'm gonna look it up.
We don't normally have this good of a day at this thrift store, but this was a good day. It was. Stop 2 for the day. Our favorite thrift store. Red, white, and blue. Sarah's hoping for a Cabbage Patch.
I love some cabbage.
Yeah. She wants more Cabbage Patch Kids. I think she wants them for herself, though. So.
I have 2 nude babies I need to make over.
Yeah, we're going to be doing some Cabbage Patch makeover videos with Sarah.
Extreme Cabbage Patch.
So, second stop. What was that?
Decorative mesh.
Decorative mesh. Sounds great. Spoons. Souvenir spoons. Probably not. Need a Starbucks mug. Las Vegas, Nevada. You guys know how much I love Vegas. Starbucks. Like a boss. Oh, it's gonna fall over. It's a giraffe basket. Oh dear.
I looked it up. No, they're not selling it all. There's a lot of them on there, but
Yeah.
pipes
Old pipes.
and pipe cleaners.
What is it? $20.
Yeah, blue and white 75%, yellow is 50%. I need this for my vacation. Compression.
What Sarah found.
Oh my god, she's got a little strang. Her leg is a little jacked.
Yeah.
I hate when they do this because this does not come off. But I take a picture of it and I have
There's
something
one
like that before. This is a newer one.
Looks like it spits.
Yeah, this is like the wet one that wets. But this one's from like the mid 2000s, so it's not. Yeah, see 2015. It's not as good as these ones can be. This one already has a onesie on it, but it's a little too big for it. Somebody already decided to do what I do.
Found these 2 helmets. That one, we know we can sell. This one I have to look up. I'm not sure if we can sell it or not, but we're gonna check it out.
Are there a lot of sold on that?
Yep. So, check it out. You've been asking me why we aren't buying so many jeans, and I figured I'd show you. So we used to buy Levi's here for $5, and then sometimes half off for more than that. Now this is a pair of 501s, have a hole in them, $7.99, not on sale. This is a pair of brand new Levi's. They've been here for a while. Actually, those are women's Levi's. They're brand new. $20 right there. We have, let me see if I can find that pair. American Eagle, non-new, $10. American Eagle, non-new, $10. American Eagle, non-new, $10. Here's a pair of Levi's. These are $5.59 Levi's. $7, not on sale. Another pair of Levi's, $5.59s, $9. So that's why we're not buying very many jeans, because they mark them up to $9 and they never go on sale. So that's the reason. It used to be like we were getting pairs for like $3. Here's a pair of Aeropostale pants, $12.99. We got a lot of clothes.
I get that much.
And a cami. Right
I was
there.
gonna strap her in, actually.
Oh yeah, you gotta have safety. There we go. That's doing it. It's working well. There we go. Yeah, it's good. Should be good. There we go. She's all safe now.
She's definitely ready. So 11 plus 7, that's 18. Plus, that's 21. Plus 4 is 25. Plus 250, so we'll make it 28. Plus 2, 30. Plus this, that's 34. Plus him, 34, so that's 36.
Okay.
Plus Cabby, so that's 40. Plus these 2 books I'm getting from my mom. She didn't answer, but she likes these. I don't know if she read them or not. If not, we'll just sell them.
Okay.
So if we get out 60, that should be good. No, it wasn't.